What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome back to another video. Today we are bringing you some Toyota Crown footage. Oh yeah, we're gonna try and get the flywheel installed using this because we need this, of course. If you don't know what this is, well,
we're actually gonna film it this time so you guys see that there's proof of it being torqued.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, we've had a little bit of scrutiny in the past for not using something like this on a flywheel. So we'll make sure you guys get the full footage and full clips here of that. But along with the flywheel, we're gonna try and get the transmission actually up, mounted in place today. So that's gonna be really good progress, and then there'll just be a few little things that we need to finalize before we can get the Crown back down and driving again. This is it. Let's go.
Let's do this. All right, guys, so we have our trusty Toyota manual here. So I've already labeled most of the important stuff, so I think we're gonna be on the clutch page today. So let's get that open. All right, so this is our clutch page. So, So I already had highlighted the torque specs for the clutch. That's gonna be important. Retaining spring bolts, clutch cover to flywheel, so we need the flywheel. There's the flywheel. Okay, so we found it here. Torque specs, it's a generic torque spec page. Flywheel to crankshaft bolts, right there. 41 to 46 foot-pounds.
So let's go.
So we're gonna set it. Well, we'll set it to 42, and we'll probably end up torquing a little over every time. So we'll be good.
If you don't know what that thing is sticking out, it's the centering tool. It allows us to get the pressure plate here on there and aligned perfectly. But we gotta clean it because Nathan, you got it all dirty doing that.
Make sure you use your grandma's dish towel.
No, it's your grandmother's underwear.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I don't know why, but they just make the fabric that's so good for cleaning pressure plates. It's crazy.
Only pressure plate.
Only, yeah. If you use it for anything else, there's no point. It won't clean it as good. Turn now. Large. There it is.
We're lined up.
We're in.
A little bit to this side, man.
A little bit which side? crushing my arm. Okay.
Oh, wait. No, that's it.
Okay. Let me hold it.
Yeah, I got both hands on it.
I got a hand on it.
Give her a pump. Yeah, it's pretty even, I'd say.
Oh, it's in!
Is it?
No. I wish. If it was in, I'd diarrhea. I literally have a shit. Might be too high, Anthony. Give it some Jims. Give it some Johns. It's hitting something though. Oh, that's where it's hitting. Oh, come on, you. You wanna go? Get in there. Come on. You blimey. You blimey. Bugger.
Good?
It's done, that's it. 2 bolts, that's all it needs. Alright guys, that's it for this video. We got a couple other things wrapped up with the crown and we revised our list. Might look long, but there are a lot of small things, so there isn't too much that we have left to get the crown on the ground, running again, which will be pretty interesting to see. I'm pretty excited for it.
And with the crown out of here, it'll make tons of space for us to get prepped for the Datsun build. So look out for that. It's gonna be epic. Stay classy, crew.